Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. Last time I created an ocean-inspired split painting and I had some colors left over, so I made another one to match with the first one. But then different, I made a chaos touch pour. Probably you know the chaos style. It's random, chaosly pouring the colors on the bottom with negative space on the top and then blowing it out. So you're gonna watch that, I'm loving it, and see the end result of these two paintings hanging together. Let's get started. Alright, so since I have a lot of paint left over from my previous ocean pour, let's go make another one. So I'm starting here with the Prussian blue because I'm left over with a lot of that. Let's do the sides real quick. Like I always say, I repaint them mostly later. But I can't wait to start pouring, so I don't have the time to do them before. Because the Prussian blue is transparent and you will see on the sides as well that that the canvas is shining through there. Okay, chaos style. Let's start with the phthalo blue. Then some turquoise. Let's go with just a touch of white. Not too much, just to give it some more contrast. I will go with the Prussian blue in here as well. And then let's add some gold and some silver to it. Last time the silver vanished a bit on me. So let's see what happens now. Chaos. Always chaos. Well, pouring is chaos, isn't it? Okay, so if you hear some singing, next to me there's a hairdresser busy and she loves to sing. So first I will blow down and then blow it up. Yeah, alright, let's blow this up. It's looking amazing. Okay guys, this is gorgeous. This is super beautiful. I would like to have some super huge cells. I don't think they will come up, but who knows? Just a little bit of torching. We just need to find them. But I don't want to overdo it, you know? So no, I don't think the huge cells will come up. But man, this looks chic. Yeah, and I'm now walking here. I'm behind the camera and I'm looking at it, and the colors I used, the camera is not picking that up. There's a lot of turquoise in this, and every time the camera doesn't show that. It's too bad, because that's such a pretty color. Close-up time, guys, close-up time. What a fast one. So we're dealing with a lot of glare, but you can see how many details. You know, the gold really stands out in this piece. It's beautiful. And again we lost the silver, didn't we? Let me find it. Yeah, here we have some. It's beautiful. It really is stunning. And the Prussian blue will dry super dark. Oh, it is already very dark, so it's a very chic piece. So I will finish the sides for, I'll be busy with that for a while, I guess. Alright, so here you have those two together. You know, I love it, lines up perfectly. And this blue, yeah, it's beautiful. See all those details in this piece. So I think we need another one, right? And then more in this style, but then the split differently and then go on that side. Very cool. Loving the chaos Dutch pours. Loving ocean colors, so yeah, it works. Definitely works. So let me know which one you love best and what you think of creating another piece to go besides this one and keeping this one in the middle. Or shall we keep this one in the middle and create another one like this and place that here? Okay, I'm gonna let you go and I'll see you next time.